I'm super excited because I'm going to be announcing my giveaway. Woo! So I'm going to be doing my first official giveaway. So it's going to be between August the 15th to September the 5th is the day I'm going to be announcing my 3 winners. So yes, 3 lucky people are going to be able to win 1 free item from my Instagram shop. So I make custom t-shirts, head wraps, and waist beads. So you'll be able to pick 1 item that you would like for free, and I will send it to you myself. And also, in order to enter into the giveaway, you have to do 4 things. Are you ready? Write this down. So you have to be subscribed to my channel, first and foremost. Secondly, you have to follow Tobb Arts on Instagram, as well as my Instagram store, Rebel by Nature Shop. Thirdly, you have to like 3 of our posts, like 3 of my posts, like 3 of Tobb's posts. Fourth, you need to tag 2 or more of your friends under the post that we're going to post. So once you're done, make sure you comment done, and we're going to be going through to see who's done everything that's supposed to be done. And if you haven't done all of it, you will be disqualified. We will be checking. So, and if you would like an extra entry into the drawing, all you have to do is share our post and tag us in it for an extra entry. Comment done. So this seems easy enough. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys participate. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to get back to you. So September the 5th is coming up pretty quick. Make sure you get your things done, so that way you can be entered into a chance to win a free item from me.
Had to set the record straight, cause love to assume. Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in suits. Lord only knows how I got it in shoes. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. I play with my money, might as well spit in my food. Taste in my guts, now they swear it was cool. Went from making tuna sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind and tripping my views. Real, only thing fake is the boobs. Get money, go hard, motherfucking right. Never been a fraud in my motherfucking life. Get money, go hard, damn fucking right. Stun on these out of motherfucking spite. Ain't no running up on me.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Vashonay, aka Rebel by Nature, and I am back with another video. First, I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining our rebellious crew over here. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can become a rebel too. And if you're not new, thank you guys so much for coming back. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily moisture routine. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Alright y'all. So basically, I don't do too much to moisturize my hair. I basically just have a spray bottle that I use. I'm going to show you guys what all I put in it and mix up in order to get my daily moisture concoction. And then also I'll let you guys know what extra I do at the end of the day. So I have basically, I guess I moisturize my hair 2 times a day. Because like I said, I don't use any products or anything like that. I just use oil and water. So I have to make sure that I'm constantly moisturizing my hair so that way it don't get too dry. And I also, you don't want it to be too oily either. So it's just a matter of finding the perfect balance of what your hair needs. So in my spray bottle, so in order to mix up my concoction, you're just going to need a spray bottle. You're going to need, what I'm using, the oil of my choice is fractioned organic coconut oil. So this one, it never turns hard. It's always in the liquid form. That's why I got this to put in my spray bottle. So that way it doesn't harden in my hair ever. And then also, because I know that's the reason why a lot of people with locks don't like to use coconut oil. But I found if you use fractioned coconut oil, you don't have to worry about it hardening and causing buildup in your hair later on. And then last but not least, I like to add an essential oil of my choice. So as of right now, like I stated in the previous video, I'm using a peach scented essential oil right now. Because in the summertime, I love peaches and watermelon. So you can't go wrong with a peach scent. And then I like for my hair to smell good anyway. Like if you get a little breeze, a little whiff of my hair, you'll smell a fresh, light peach scent. So first things first. I don't have a specific measurement that I use, so don't ask. I just fill it up as I see fit. So I'm going to be using purified water. I don't use tap water in my hair. Any water that I use in my hair is purified. I even have a filter on my shower. I found that makes a big difference in my hair, especially since the water here in Texas is pretty hard. So I find that using filtered water helps my hair a lot more. So I just add water. I feel it up to like right there with water.
They gave up 2 options.
I always try not to make it too full, because if you do, you won't be able to spray it properly.
Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in suits. Lord only knows how I got it in suits. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. I play with my money, might have spit in my food. Head in my gut, now they say it was cool. From making tuna sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind and tripping my views. Real. Only thing fake is the booze. Get money, go hard, motherfucking right. Never been a fraud in my motherfucking life. Get money, go hard, damn fucking right. Starting on these out of motherfucking spite. Ain't no running up on me, went for nothing to glory. I ain't telling y'all to do it, I'm just telling my story. I don't hang with these cause these be corny. And I got enough bros, y'all ain't gotta support me. I went from rag to riches, went from wig to lint. Only person in my fam to see 6 figures. The pressure on your shoulders feel like boulders. Where you gotta make sure that everybody's straight. Stab you in your back while they smiling in your face. Talking crazy on your name, trying not to catch a case. I waited my whole life just to on. Climb to the top floor so I could spit on. Said I was just trying to chill and make bangers. Tell all these old they in danger. The thing on my hip whip, it's in the shape. That's what I call a
Shake. And just a disclaimer, I know somebody gonna be all like water and oil don't mix. Of course it doesn't. But what you're gonna put in order to keep your hair moisturized, I feel like with locks you can't just use water and you can't just use oil. You need a mixture of both. So I feel like the water allows your hair cuticles to open up in order to absorb the oil that you're putting in it as well. Does that make sense? And then I go back on top of it. If I'm feeling extra dry, now I seal it with my castor oil and olive oil mix. So you can shake it up best you can, and then spray it all over it as generously as you would like. Whatever your hair needs that day. And then I shake it up. And that's it. But if you want to take it a step further and give it a little bit extra moisture, you can use whatever oil of your choice and just put a little bit of it in your hand and go through and put it on top to kind of seal in the moisture. You don't have to do this step. You don't have to. It's just extra if you need. Sometimes we need a little bit extra moisture in our hair. Alright, cool. So that's it. So I do that at the beginning of the day when I'm getting ready to get ready. And then at night when I get in the shower, I don't use a shower cap or a bun or anything. I just let the steam from the shower absorb into my hair, so that way my hair can absorb all of the moisture that it needs. So that way I have a good balance of moisture in my hair. It's not overly moisturized and then it's not dry at all. It basically feels just right. So that's my daily moisture routine. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can become one of the rebels. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.